Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll explain whether you can withdraw TikTok shop balance from refunds and what you can actually do with that refunded money. So here's the short and clear answer. You cannot withdraw TikTok shop refund balance as cash. Instead, refunded money is added directly to your TikTok balance and it's meant to be used inside TikTok shop, not transferred to your bank. And let me explain how it works. When you refund an item on TikTok Shop, the refunded amount doesn't go to your card or bank by default. Instead, it gets added to your TikTok balance. To check it, you want to open your TikTok and go to the shop. You want to tap the three-line menu in the top right. Then from here, you want to select payment. And then you, from this page, you want to tap on TikTok Shop balance. And from here, you will see the total amount you currently have. Now, how to use that refund balance? It's actually very easy. Just choose any product on TikTok Shop, anything really. And then once you've chosen, you just go ahead and tap buy now, select your variation, and continue to checkout. On the payment screen, scroll down to the payment method section, and if you have a refund balance available, you will see an option that says use TikTok balance. You can turn that on and use your refund balance alongside your normal payment method, meaning TikTok will deduct the balance first and only charge the remaining amount if needed. So again, to be very clear, you cannot withdraw TikTok Shop refund balance to your bank, but you can use it to buy products on TikTok Shop. And that's how TikTok refund balance works. That's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.